Joe Zia here from Zia Sensations, where essential oils are always easy. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite hacks, and this is how to add essential oils to your hot drinks like coffee or tea. My favorite way is definitely going to be with milk. I use a device just like this one here. It's basically a milk frother, and you can look for that if you don't already have one. So you're just going to add your milk to your milk frother. You could also use half and half. Add that in there, and then you're going to just use a drop or maximum 2 drops of essential oil. Today I'm going to use peppermint, which is one of my favorites, but you could also use many others like our spicy chai. You could use orange, you could use cinnamon. So as you can see, 1 drop goes a long ways. And then you're just going to put that in there and froth it up the way you would any other way. Another hack is I like to use agave. So you could absolutely just add a little bit of agave also to this, and all of a sudden it's going to be sweet. And the nice thing about agave is you don't need much. It does have a high glycemic index, so be aware of that. And there you go, just start it on up. At the same time, you can get your coffee ready or your tea. And I use a device like this, but other great oils for that are going to be, our cardamom is one I love to use. Lavender is a really good oil. Spearmint, peppermint, our gingerbread blend, our vanilla, our pumpkin pie blend, our Zia Fall, our allspice, nutmeg, cinnamon, anise is a great oil. Even coffee is a great oil. So tons of fun ways to step up your coffee or your tea to a whole new level.